This is quite simply a nutritional powerhouse of a dish. Slow roasted, sweet golden slices of butternut squash combine perfectly with nutty lentils and a zingy salad to make brilliantly balanced flavours. Start off by cutting a butternut squash into wedges or chunks, and there's no need to peel. Spray with low-calorie cooking spray and roast for 30 to 40 minutes at fan 180, 200C or gas mark 6 till it's just starting to char at the edges. Mix 500 grams of cherry tomatoes with 800 grams of rinsed black or brown lentils. Add a bunch of chopped spring onions and the zest and juice of half a lemon. Next, blitz 15 grams of fresh mint, 15 grams of parsley leaves, a pinch of salt, a peeled garlic clove, and 250 grams of fat-free natural yogurt until smooth. And drizzle over when you're ready to eat.